a 2x4. I think I've switched over to the third video in this recording now. This 2x4, I will mount where I need it to the ceiling. I will put on the other end once I cut it and attach it to the back side of this. I will be able to then, with one nail or screw, be able to turn it at the angle I need, drop down from the ceiling. Yes, I will probably have a little bit of a problem with putting in the barrier, and now I'm going to have that, but I'm going to make it level with where I'm going to attach the barrier. Again, I'm thinking ahead, right? So that I will be able to use the back side of the bracket that I made for the light by cutting some wood and painting it, and then I will be able to lay my barrier over the top of that. So I hope that all makes sense. But again, thinking ahead for the future, what I'm going to do, and doing the steps now that will, make sense for that. So I will have 4 lights, but I will be putting them at an angle. So I'm going to pull in from the corner of the garage here, and I'm going to come in this way where I have this extra open space. And this will allow me to mount 4 lights kind of on the corners of where the vehicle will be. I'm going to alternate green and white, and it's going to be super awesome. It's going to be super bright. I will be probably adding lights in the future. I also added an adapter at the light socket that gives me 2 outlets. Even though I can do 4 in a chain, I thought that I would run 2 and link them with an extension cord on these 2 corners, which will be longer, of course, then run out the other outlet, short cord that comes with, and then a long cord. And this being tied into my light, then when I walk in, I can just flip the switch and all the LEDs and my ceiling light will all come on. And I will have the ability, because they all have an on and off switch attached to them, I should be able to, on this one, which will run, I believe, this way, and be able to switch it off. So I know I'm awful wordy in all of this, as I always am. I am detailed. I am apologizing to anyone that just was like, good God, get to whatever point you're making. My point is, think ahead, convert your garage to a detail shop that you're going to be happy with. Don't cut corners. Don't think short term. Think about the big picture while you're doing things, and just some things to consider. And I will be, using my, leaf blower to blow out debris. I'll also be using my new Makita 5200 Mac compressor. I've got the air gun. I'm going to be, blowing out all the little tight seams and all that. And that will be step 1. And then degreasing and acid etching will be step 2 and 3. Let everything dry out, see where I'm at. I thank you for being with me. Thanks a lot. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Please give me the thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Do all the things that you need to do. My analytics, love all that stuff. So just take this time if you've made it this far. I do appreciate that you did. And until next time, I will catch you on the flip side. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. I thank you. Take care. And there's the flip side. All right. That was lengthy. Thanks.